everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now, I just wanted to show you a quick little haul from the Target's dollar spot. Let's get started, guys. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna save one of these pieces for last. Okay, so this was $3, and look at the, oh, it is so cute. I didn't want it in the other colors. This one, isn't this one gorgeous? So I got one of these ohms, like a disco ball type ohm, I guess. Let me put it here. Okay. Now, I thought this was so adorable. So they have this frame and it says, you, me, and a cup of tea. Isn't that cute? I don't know if you could see that with the glare. Beautiful frame, and this was also $3. So that is so beautiful. Now, they also had it in a different color and shape. Look at this. It says, tea time. Don't you just love that pink? I absolutely love that pink, and I love the tea time. It's already in the frame, so I got one of these. Then, you're not gonna believe, so the Target dollar spot, that's my receipt, has these great charcuterie boards. Now, don't forget, guys, that we have the wood serving collaboration coming up. This would be great. Isn't that absolutely beautiful for Valentine's Day? The heart bowl here in the center on the wood tray. I absolutely love it. On the cutting board, wood board. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is all from the Target's dollar spot, guys. I'm telling you, these are amazing. I'm trying to move so I can show you. So now look at this. They have their own little tiny teapot. And this one it's in pink, as you can see. This was $5. It's a small little tiny teapot, but you know what? I'm gonna be using this, Debbie. I hope you're watching. This is so cute. So look at this theme we got going here. Doesn't that remind you of our vintage collab coming up? It is beautiful. I love it. Gorgeous. That teapots. So that was the only teapot that I got. Now look at this one. I got a tea tray, and it's in pink. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. This just tops it all. This is great for Valentine's Day, great for any kind of vintage type theme. This is great through spring and summer. I absolutely love it. So again, I think I scored big at the dollar spot over at Target. Look at the items, guys. I would run to Target if you're interested in any of these things. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. I'm so excited. So click like, share, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.